Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix power button opening Google Assistant problem. Each time you just pressing your power button and it is showing Google Assistant, it is not power, there is no power button or power menu. So how you can fix this problem in your Vivo smartphone? So friends, let's start. First you have to open your settings. You can see I am just pressing the power button, so there is no power menu. So how you can power off or restart your device? So click on this settings, then click on search bar, and here you have to write power button. Tap on here, you will see launch Google Assistant by pressing power button and launch power menu. By clicking on launch power menu, it will disable the launch Google Assistant, and after clicking it you have to press on the power button, and you can see it is showing the power menu and the Google Assistant is disabled. And this is how you can power off and restart. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.